In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offboard Google Workspace users. We'll walk through a clear, safe process that protects company data while keeping things organized for the team. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with a super admin account in the Google Admin Console, since most of these actions require elevated privileges. Start by suspending the departing user rather than deleting them. This is the safest move because it immediately blocks access without erasing anything. Open the admin console, go to Directory, then Users, and open the user's profile. From the More menu, choose Suspend User. Suspension prevents Gmail and Drive access and stops new sign-ins, but all mail, files, and settings stay intact while you complete the rest of the offboarding tasks. It also gives you time to verify handoffs and backups before any permanent changes. Next, secure the account by resetting the password and signing the user out of all active sessions. In the same user profile, click Reset Password, then use the option to sign out user. This forces a logout on every device and invalidates any existing tokens. Even if the account is already suspended, doing both steps helps ensure nothing is left open on a browser, a mobile app, or a synced desktop client. Now, protect and reassign work files. In the admin console, open Apps, then Google Workspace, then Drive and Docs. Use the Transfer Ownership tool to move the user's Google Drive files to the appropriate employee or a shared mailbox. This preserves folder structures and sharing settings as much as possible, and it keeps projects moving without disruption. Double-check key folders and documents after the transfer to confirm critical assets landed where they should. Handle email continuity based on your organization's policy. You can set up automatic forwarding to a manager or team inbox so new messages keep reaching the right people. If someone needs temporary access to the mailbox to respond to ongoing threads, delegate the mailbox instead of sharing the password. If you need an archive, export the Gmail data. Google Takeout can create a user-level export, while your admin tools can assist with broader data export needs depending on your compliance requirements. Finally, remove the account from mobile and managed devices. In the admin console, open Devices, locate the user's phones or laptops, and choose Wipe Account to remove work data or remove device if it's no longer managed. This step is essential for company-owned hardware and any device that syncs corporate email or Drive. That's the complete, reliable flow to offboard a Google Workspace user while keeping data secure and accessible.